Hi, my name is Ibrahim, and this video is not going to be a scientific fact. It's more like going to be an inventive tip for a craftsman person. And before I start on this video, I just want to tell them that if they do go ahead with this project, I would like them to at least ask my permission so that they do go along with them. So okay, let's start with it. I'm going to give you three examples of an objects, single-use objects. One is a chair, the other one is a cup, and another one is just a piece of coat. And they're all single-use purpose only. One person is wearing this coat or cup just only for tea, drinking, or coffee, or anything like that. And for chair, it's best basically sitting on it. If you look at the design of the chair, it's just a simple four-sided rectangular shape. But just imagine if I just put this size, able to make this part of the wood move along like a rail, so hence it can able to increase its size like this way. So if this wood was able to move forward and backward, and you can see as soon as it increases its chair lengthwise, it can turn into a bed. And if this wood was put on sideways and increase the length sideways, hence it can turn into a sofa. The top part is easy just by unfolding it, or like basically it just goes up and down. Once it unfolds, it lengthens itself forward and backwards. So just imagine this wood going lengthwise and sidewise, increases size. It can become a bed as well as a sofa. A bottom bit, if you cover it around it with a piece of wood, it basically becomes a good closet area for person to put their clothes inside. Same thing if you use the same principle on this cup. Hence this cup, if it moves upwards or downwards, slide through this one glass, it can change its size. Hence it can become a jug, or a person can hold large volume of water or a drink. Hence it becomes another multi-purpose object. Same principle can be used on the coat. Suppose this coat has an ability to increase its size sideways, hence it can increase its waist, which has an ability for a person or persons who can wear this coat, person with different sizes. Same principle if we used lengthwise. Hence, if this coat has an ability to move through the cloth up and down, hence it has an ability for a person to, a younger person can wear the same coat as well as a grown man. Hence, it becomes a multi-purpose object again. So, three objects has an ability to become a multi-functional object only by applying same principle. That is, if one object has the object has an ability to increase its size lengthwise and heightwise, it becomes a multi-purpose. Chair, cup, and coat. Three different materials, but applying same principle, it becomes a multi-purpose object. So, inventors out there, if they do want to go ahead with them, you can do it, and it will be very useful tip if an object or if a person can afford it and do this thing, and it becomes a multi-purpose object, and people can use this. It becomes a sofa and a bed. Just imagine, chair becomes a sofa or a bed, or a coat where different size people or different age group people can wear the same piece of coat. Same thing for the cup. It becomes a glass into a wask. Hence, has an ability for a large, well, people can has an ability to hold a large volume of liquid. So it becomes a multipurpose again. So same thing can be applied to more different objects, becomes a multipurpose. So think about it and see if it does it. And definitely, if this if the theory does allow us to do it, so it can be done physically as well. So if someone goes through this project, please let me know and tell me if it works.